It's time for Swag Bag Live. Okay, what is in the swag bag this month? You're gonna love this. Okay, so the first thing we're doing is Jenny Bird. Honey, I can't get enough of Jenny Bird. We actually gave away this and this on the live, and Jenny Bird gave us a $25 gift certificate because she is so fabulous, and so is all of her jewelry. Next, we have Sarah Maxwell, who's the brow guru. She makes these amazing lash serums that I'm obsessed with. So she did give us a code JG20 for 20% off her website. So if you're into fortifying your lashes and making them longer and thicker and stronger, you might want to pick that up. But what she's in here for this month is her latest, the brow mask. It looks like an eye mask, but it's a brow mask. And you're going to put it on your brow with nothing on. So don't put any skincare or anything because then it will slip off. But you're going to put it here, rest 10, 20 minutes. It's going to tighten, hydrate, fortify the area so that your hair is stronger. It's fantastic. There's hyaluronic acid in there, collagen, which is going to make everything in this area just look younger because as we get older, that area is dry and Sarah Maxwell crushing the game. Sarah Happ is the lip expert. She gave us the trio. This is a great gift. It starts with the delicious and fantastic. This is the lip scrub. It's confetti cake, you guys. The confetti cake, it smells like a dream. I want to eat it. She also gives us the lip slip, which is the vanilla whipped scent. And then she gives us this great One Luxe gloss, which is fantastic. They smell like a dream. They're soft. They're not sticky. They're hydrating. They stay on. They look beautiful. I love them. I can't get enough of them. I'm going to throw a little bit of the gloss on right now. Be a hero. Delicious. Love it, Sarah Happ. Okay, if you want to fight aging, you want to tighten your skin and hydrate your skin. So we have the Elixir Firming Serum from Antidotum, and then we also have the Vital Face Oil, which is a 1-2 step. These were made to work in tandem. So we got both of them. The branding of this company is just so pretty. It's where like science meets nature, and I love that. So the serum is going to boost collagen. It's going to tighten your skin. It's going to make you look taut and gorgeous. It's going to balance your skin tone, right? Then you're going to set it all in there, and you're going to go for that hydration, and then you're going to go for the oil. So then you're going to set it all in with the oil. You're going to lather it on. It's going to balance oil production so that you don't overdo it or underdo it. Okay, you with me still? You're with me still? Okay, it's also going to reduce inflammation. So if you're sensitive or acne prone, this is for you guys. This is CBD. It's not going to make you stone. Don't worry. It's going to take down inflammation, you guys. And then of course it's going to deeply moisturize. This is a 1-2 punch. Delicious skincare. Love, love, love Antidotum. Crushing the game. Also, I do have a code Jamie20 for 20% off. Don't be scared. Run now. So the OG of natural makeup, Jane Iredale, you're iconic in my eyes. Look how gorgeous this is. This is the Solar Flare eyeshadow kit. It is so beautiful. I have it on right now. I can't get enough of these coppers and the brown. And then if you want to do a little shimmer underneath your brow, but make it super natural. These are creaseless, long-lasting, smooth texture, no fallout. The OG of natural. She was just the first one doing this stuff. So I love this so much. Also, if you do want to go to her site, you can type in Jamie15. There are a million products that I stand behind that I love, even tools, brushes. So go check it out. Jane Iredale, we love you. So here's my little trick. The next one is a blush. I love taking the Blylighter, right? And we put down the Blylighter and we create this really nice underlying hue. And then I'm going to take a little bit translucent powder and then setting it, but I still have that nice glow. And then I'm going to take the Honest Lit Powder blush in Frisky. Pop, pop, pop. Feel a little tap, tap, tap. And I'm going to just create an even better glow. I love layering. Just because I made the Blylighter doesn't mean that I can't partner with other people that have blushes. Everybody can support each other to create great things. So I love the fact that I can layer my cream blush with a dry blush. Honest is natural and delicious and gorgeous. So many good products there too. Such a pretty color. We're obsessed. I really love this. This is the Jafra dual-ended eyeliner. We have the white and then the black. I use the black obviously to create this smudgy eyeliner line. And then I created a brightness and an opening in my eyes. Also makes your eye whites brighter. Your eyes look a little bit bigger. Double up here. It's just really fun. You can use it as a little bit of a highlighter here too. If you wanted to get freaky, you could even do a little cat eye, just a little cat eye. I love it. I love this so much. It's really lightweight. It's great. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for supporting me. Comment, let me know what you want to see. We're here all week. Have a wonderful holiday. Love you guys. Thank you.